Welcome back, everybody. Happy New Year 2021. Here we are, and look what I have here. I want to show you, I just got this, by the way, the brand new Blackstone 17-inch air fryer combo. All right, this is the Adventure Ready combo. Okay, let me move over here. There we go. That's better lighting. So right there, you can just get a look at this thing right there. This year, the new Adventure Readies, the 2021 Adventure Readies have these new grip handles, which are very nice. These are not cheesy. They are not junky. These are substantial heat resistant grips on the handles. Very, very, can I say that again? Very nice. Like the thing. So there it is. This is the 17-inch air fryer combo. 17-inch griddle. I haven't even used mine yet. Just got it set up. There is the 17-inch, you know, your standard 17-inch griddle. There's what you could do with it. And rear grease, of course. People still ask about that. And runs off of propane. It runs off of bulk propane. So I have it on a really high prep table right now. You can see I have it sitting here with this little bulk propane tank here. And of course it has the air fryer. What's neat about the air fryer on the 17-inch on the Adventure Ready is it's a super, since there's only one tray, a super long, do not adjust your cameras, a super long air fryer basket. Of course, on this unit, just like the 28-inch air fryer combo, the electric heating element and the circulation fan for the air fryer run off of electricity. So you're going to have electricity, obviously. And then the fuel for the griddle is, of course, propane. So, you know, what would the applications of this be? Let me set this up on my tripod here, and you can just kind of watch while I do this. Let's see. Right there. So what would the application of this be? Let me unhook the propane so you can see this. It is Adventure Ready, and it is semi-portable, but it is, you know, a substantial size. So you'll have to decide whether or not this is going to be something that you're just going to take for a stroll in the park. You need to have electricity. So for me, of course, I would have, you know, I have a little generator, a little Wen, I think it's a Wen brand, generator that I'd have with me camping that I would use it for. Otherwise, it's great. You can use it with an RV where you have an electrical hookup. Or if you don't want to, I mean, this thing is of substantial size, you could use it in an application just like this on your back porch, with a table, maybe on like a built-in kitchen on a countertop, etc. But let me give you an idea just how big the thing is, in case you're taking notes. I'm 5'8", and as you can see here we go, let's go around to the back. I'm 5'8", and you can lift it, but you can't be a sissy. There we go. It's bigger. You know, it's about the length of the 17-inch, you know, the 17-inch, I'm forgetting the name of it right now, the 17-inch combo that has the burner on the side that we came out with last year. It's about the same size as that, but it's taller and it's substantially heavier, you know, due to the fact that it has an air fryer in it. And these are Walmart exclusives. I have my patio heater going on right here. Let me give you a little walk around the unit. Again, I haven't fired mine up yet, but it is aesthetically a very pleasing unit. So again, like I said, this could be used for camping if you have a generator. It can be used for RVing. It can be used just like this on your back porch. You know, maybe you have a smoker and you've always wanted to get a small Blackstone griddle. I mean, this is definitely the one for you. I'm not sure about the price point. I think it's under $300, maybe in the $250, $260 range, but don't hold me to that. I do not work at Walmart. So my first takes on this thing, aesthetically gorgeous. Absolutely loving the brand new Adventure Ready handles. These things are sweet, okay? I love the fact that this has the air fryer. I love the fact that it's extra long. So even though, you know, this isn't like a 36-inch air fryer where you got two baskets, the one giant basket here is probably comparable to 1.5 of the 36-inch baskets, maybe even close to the 2, because this is a huge basket right here. So that's good. And there you go. The styling is great on this thing. It's got the 17-inch, and that's what it looks like. So, just wanted to bring you guys along for that so I can keep the content rolling here for my channel. What do I have going on? Ice fishing. So it's New Year's Day, and I'm getting the Blackstone van ready, loading it up with all of our gear. I'll be going out with a couple of boys tomorrow, and we're gonna go up to one of the high mountain lakes where it's gonna be bitter cold. And we'll be doing some ice fishing, and we'll be doing some cooking on one of our griddles, maybe this one, maybe last year's 17-inch Adventure Ready, I'm not sure yet. And we'll do some cooking in the ice fishing hut. Of course, I'll bring me a heater, a Mr. Heater with me, and we'll have a good time. I'm pretty much a novice when it comes to ice fishing. Yeah, I've been fishing my whole life. I've been a hunter and a fisherman my whole life. I just ice fished a few times about 20 years ago with one of my buddies, and I did terrible, didn't catch anything. So we're going back at it, and we're going to see what it takes and see if I can't get something dialed in. And then, of course, maybe we'll griddle it up on the Blackstone. But of course, I'll have food with me that we can cook up regardless of that. So there you go. 17-inch Adventure Ready combo. Shout out and a thank you to everybody who's been watching, everyone that's been subscribing. Please, if you haven't already, make sure you're following me over at Blackstone Products social media. Of course, my Let's Give It a Try show, and a lot of you are starting to watch. My Let's Give It a Try show airs at Blackstone YouTube, Blackstone Instagram, Blackstone Facebook every week. And that's where I take my videos to the next level. You're going to get to see me with a much bigger production. It's me filming, or the family filming, but a much bigger production. We bring the drone out and all that kind of stuff, have the best music, and you'll see videos coming up here real soon from various hunting trips in Nebraska, down in Texas, and of course right here on the back porch. So there we go, everybody. Thanks for watching, and maybe we'll fire this up in one of our future videos. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord.